ESD is technically challenging to perform. A major limitation of ESD is the lack of a surgeon's second hand to provide traction on a lesion. If we were able to deliver uninterrupted traction to a lesion, it would expose the submucosal layer, allowing for easier and faster dissection during ESD. A number of different retraction methods have been tried, but most just add time and complexity to the procedure or are situational and cannot be used for all lesions. The ProdiGI traction wire system is easy and efficient to deploy. It provides dynamic retraction throughout the ESD procedure, is independent to the scope, and is not situational. It can be used anywhere an endoclip can be placed endoscopically. We have found that the ProdiGI traction wire is extremely helpful in esophageal, gastric, and colonic ESD. It is a simple but elegant solution to traction for ESD.